Hello and welcome to AH Shooting and Just Good Food. Today I'm going to be making some goose enchiladas. You can make your enchiladas out of anything you like. You can use pork, chicken, beef, turkey, any game meat. And if you're vegetarian, just leave the meat out. You can still do this recipe. It'll work exactly the same but without the meat. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and give it a like. Some people that have subscribed in the last week are Lurcher Pup, Scott Whiteside, Martin Ashburn Hall, Lewis Berry, Brent J Griffiths, Alex Gill, Reg Ward and Beardsmore 13. So thank you all for subscribing. You're now in the Winners Club. If you want to be in the Winners Club, don't forget to subscribe too. So let's crack on with this recipe. Cheers. So first off, we're going to start with 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan on a medium to high heat. We're then going to add 1 large onion, sort of medium diced. We're then going to add 1 Canadian goose breast. This is cut approximately 2 centimeters by 1, so I'm going to put that in. Like I said before, you can put whatever meat you want in it. Then what I've got here is 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon of fresh red chillies chopped, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 3 large mushrooms chopped, and 4 tablespoons of grated carrots. So they're all going to go into the pan. So we're going to just cook this off for a couple of minutes. We're just going to add a good twist of salt and pepper. This has had another couple of minutes cooking, so I'm now going to add approximately 6 cherry tomatoes quartered, 3 spring onions chopped, half a red pepper diced and half a green pepper diced. So this is going to go into the mixture. We're going to cook this for a further 3 to 5 minutes. I'm now going to add 120 grams of mixed beans. This is actually a 5-bean salad that I've added there. I've used tins. Just make sure you drain off the juice that it comes in because it's not very nice. So give it a good drain, rinse it off under some cold water, and then you can add them, and they go really nice in these. Okay, so another couple of minutes has passed. We're now going to add 100 mils of beef stock to the mixture. I'm also going to add 200 mils of tomato passata. I'm going to cook this until all the sauce that's kind of in it is more or less totally reduced and left us with an almost dry mixture. Then we're going to set it aside, ready to stuff the tortillas with. Okay, this sauce is starting to reduce now. If you wanted to, you could actually add sort of half a glass of or a glass of red wine if you wanted to, as long as you made sure you kind of cooked it off and reduced it. That'll be fine. It would give it a kind of nice sort of deeper flavour, but I like mine without, to be honest. Okay, so see how most of the sauce has gone now. It's almost a dry mixture. So we're going to take this off the heat, set it aside, and then we're going to stuff the tortillas with it. Okay, so for the tortillas, we're just going to put 3 tablespoons, depending on the size of your tortillas, of the mixture in here. And then we just fold it up at the sides like that, fold it over, roll it over into a neat little kind of parcel like this. And I'm going to do that with 4 tortillas because I'm hungry. So then you'll end up with something that looks like this. I've then got some spreadable, strong cheddar cheese, which I'm just going to smother on top. Then to make it a little bit healthier, we're just going to add a little bit more cheese on top. I've got some grated red Leicester here. Okay, so these are going to go in the oven for about 15 minutes on gas mark 7. I'm then going to serve it with a little bit of pillow rice and some nice fresh salad. Okay, that's my enchiladas, so give them a go. They're very quick and easy to do. Don't forget to give the video a like if you like it, and subscribe if you want to be in the Winners Club, and let's go!